Good morning. I've been doing dinosaur bone and teeth preparation for the last few weeks, and it's kept me out of my shed. I'm looking up here because I've been having bay leaf drying in my shed, and it's time now. The bones are done. It's time to. There's so many of them that I'm actually. Here I am. There's so many of them that I'm actually going to take them up to the house and put them in the food processor and give them a quick whiz to minimise because I've got a box full of leaves and it's a bit too much of a volume. So here they are. So I'm slowly denuding the branches of their leaves. And that will go into the bay and juniper soap, well, an infusion into olive oil, and it's such a lovely soap. I've been using it recently. I think it's my favourite, actually. I've just finished my little Smudge Sticks, and I don't know whether to put them on the website, which is a huge faff. There's only 4 of them. Oh, there's some over there. 6 of them. And or to put them on as a DM. So if you want one, to DM me. I think I'll sell them for £6 each, which is very cheap. They've all got slightly different ingredients. There's no point in me rambling on about it now. But all the ingredients and everything are written inside so that you can see which plants are in there. And today, it's so exciting. Today I'm going to make some salves with my salve heel. Have you seen the colour of that? Isn't that beautiful? Golden green. All that infusion. I've got a whole pot of lilac in sweet almond oil, and I'm going to see if the scent comes through when I make a salve. We'll add a little bit of it into it. These roses are this rose here is for my rose and elderflower soap, and here's another big pot of salve heel. I'm looking forward to this. I'm going to do some experimenting. I've got plantain, I've got all kinds of infused, there she is, all kinds of infused oils with that are ready to go now. So I just need to get labelling. I need to get the CPSR for it, but first of all I need to make them, and I'll take you along on the journey of making them if you're interested. See you soon.